Hello students, this is Nisha here from Sri Kolhapuri School of Doll Making. This video is about the Artisan Foundation Program. So many of you have been asking me for a basic program that covers almost all the basics of doll making or doll makeover. So this video I will help you understand what are all that you will learn as part of the Artisan Foundation Program. So the first one is how to make a Barbie doll like this. Okay, so I will be teaching you how to make a skirt without stitching. Okay, how to make the doll in stand. Okay, how to fix the doll in stand, how to make blouse, how to make davani, and how to decorate. So this is the first kit. Okay, so this will cover the basics of making skirt, blouse, and dupatta for a half saree function girl. Okay, this can also be decorated as a welcome girl also. So we will be giving all the materials, whatever you see here. There might be mild variation in the saree color or border color depending on the availability. Otherwise, it will be the best fabric that we have. Okay, so this is the first kit. And the second kit is how to make a Seemandam girl. Alright, so you will get a chair, you will get a doll, you will get hair, flower, jewelry. All this will be there as part of the material list. And you will learn how to make a doll like this. Sorry, it is I just completed this. So how to make this doll, okay, and how to make it in sitting position, and what type of jewelry to put, how to drape a saree in sitting position, all that you will learn. Okay, so this complete set is the second kit. And the third kit is a bride and groom doll. So you will learn how to make a pair of, this is a different doll, you will be getting a little bigger doll, 12-inch doll. I am just showing this for reference. So you will learn how to drape saree, how to make blouse, how to drape perfect saree like this, how to make shirt without stitching, how to drape dhoti, how to fix hair for boy, how to fix hair for girl, jewelry. All that will be there as part of the third kit. So this is a complete kit that will give you that understanding about the basics of doll making, okay, or doll makeover. So with just one program, you will be able to build more and more on this. Okay, so there is a special offer, launch offer that you can grab now. So once you make the payment online, you WhatsApp me the address. Okay, so I will courier the entire set, and I will give you, you will automatically get access to the video tutorials, and it will be a lifelong access. Okay, so all the best, and the best thing is you all will get a signed hard copy of my of the certificate. Once you complete at least one doll, you will get you have to show me in WhatsApp, and you will get a certificate from me. All right, okay, so if there are any questions, WhatsApp me to buy this kit, 7540067838. I will be happy to send the kit to you. Happy doll making, and see you in the tutorials then. Bye bye.